Good morning, students. Today we see the Hershey and Chase experiments in the topic of molecular basis of inheritance. So, as you see in the last lecture, there was McCarthy, McLeod, and the Avery. They're trying to discover that the DNA is a genetic material, but there must be a theory to prove that there must be a theory. So, this is the last experiment to prove that the DNA is a genetic material or DNA is a transforming principle. So, the McCarthy, McLeod, Avery, they are denoting that. But this is a last proof. This is the last proof. This explains the DNA genetic material. What the Hershey and Chase did in 1952. In 1952, the Hershey and Chase both are the difference. Both these scientists are different. So they do not that the DNA is a genetic material, and they prove how. Let me tell you. Well, what they did, they take two radioactive substances. One is your sulfur, and another is your phosphorus, and some bacteriophages. We need the bacteria, so they grow bacteria on some certain slab or certain testes are there, and they grow the bacteriophages, and they use the radioactive sulfur as radioactive. Why? Because it's चमकता है. अगर अंधारात एखादी गोष्ट ठेवली तर ती चमकते. Means radioactive substance to brighten, to attract them. Okay, so that's why the radioactive substance is used. So they use sulfur and your phosphorus. Sulfur means sulfur. What contains? Sulfur contains your protein. Sulfur contains your protein. Okay. So he took two sentences and he labeled it. Okay, one is your sulfur labeled DNA capsule. One is your phosphorus labeled DNA capsule. Two types of bacteria, two different types of bacteria, but the same bacteriostatic medium. So growth bacterial medium is your same. So he take two substances. He give the name on that. One is your sulfur, one is your phosphorus. Simple. Now, whatever the media is made up, whatever the media is grown up, he inject to that. Both these are he injected. Let me come first to this. He injected to that. Okay. So when he inject the sulfur level capsule and the DNA inside it, when the DNA is inside it, here is the outer coat. Here is the outer coat. So the media is inserted into the sulfur level, that is you can call the protein substance is there. So they will it enter into that, it centrifuged, it get centrifuged. But due to it is a protein, due to it is a sulfur, and protein is not a transforming principle. Protein is not a genetic material. Protein transform नहीं हो सकता है. मम्मी पापा से बच्चे में प्रोटीन कहाँ जाएगा? नहीं जाएगा. Simple. So what they conclude that here is no sulfur detected. अगर DNA रहता, if there is a genetic material, so there must be a protein should be transformed. Protein should be transferred from this media to this media. But this is not done here. This is not available here. This is not occurred here. Here the sulfur is not detected. What they did? Simple. पहले वो सल्फर का जो कैप्सूल है वो लिया, उसमें डीएनए का जो बैक्टीरिया उन्होंने जो मीडियम बनाया था वो उसमें इंसर्ट कर दिया. इंसर्ट करने के बाद दे डिनोट दैट, conclude that whether the protein is present or not, whether the DNA is transforming or not. But here the DNA is not transforming. Here the protein is not transported. Hence the sulfur is not detected here. So protein the transport one. If we see in phosphorus group, what happened here? Same. They inject the media into your capsule, your phosphorus capsule with radioactive substances. When they check, here is blending means mixing or blending. You can see the pollination group blending. The centrifuge and the DNA material is get mixed together. After they mix, the phosphorus is detected here, or you can say the DNA is mixed and the DNA is transformed here. DNA जो है वो जेनेटिक मटेरियल ट्रांसफॉर्म हो रहा है. फॉस्फोरस ग्रुप में वो ट्रांसफॉर्म हो रहा है, वो मिक्स हो रहा है, दोनों कंबाइन हो रहे हैं, डीएनए ट्रांसफॉर्म हो रहा है वहाँ पे. सिंपल. सो दिस लॉजिक इज डन बाय हर्शे एंड चेस. दिस लॉजिक आर डन बाय हर्शे एंड चेस एक्सपेरिमेंट. So on that theory, the McCarthy, Avery and McLeod and the Feathers and the Frederick Richer and Frederick Richer all they get the importance of this DNA, the genetic material. And by this theory, at last in 1952, it is proved that DNA is a genetic material, not protein, because sulfur contains a protein and phosphorus is a group of, what is phosphorus? It is a PO4. Well, it is a group of DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid. डीएनए में क्या रहता है, PO4 रहता है, तो फॉस्फोरस है इसलिए वो ट्रांसफॉर्म हो गया, जेनेटिक मटेरियल हो गया. सो दिस इज द लास्ट एक्सपेरिमेंट टू प्रूव दैट डीएनए इज जेनेटिक मटेरियल. सो हियर वी क्लोज, we see the Hershey and Chase experiment today. Thank you so much.